welcome back. I know it's been a while, but today I decided to do this video because I'd like to invite you, my friends, into something very beautiful that I am a part of. As you can see sa mga past posts ko on social media, I've been promoting this very beautiful project entitled My Extraordinary. This is the first Philippine BL series to be aired on local TV. Napalaking blessing po nitong My Extraordinary para sa akin because it came during this pandemic when all of us are greatly affected. Syempre maraming nawalan ng trabaho, maraming nangyari sa paligid natin, and up to now we are suffering from this pandemic. I say this is special to me because dumating siya nung time na wala akong masyadong ginagawa. And special siya sa akin kasi napakagandang pong story nito. Gawa ito at sinulat ng isang good friend na napakahusay din na musical director, Vincent De Jesus, and it just really is very personal to me because as Vince and I have discussed, sinulat niya ito hindi para lang gumawa ng BL series, kundi sinulat niya ito tailor-made for each one of us na characters sa series na ito. Of course, when we started filming, we observed so many protocols and guidelines. And kahit napakahirap, naitawid naman namin ng buong buo. I say this is special to me because not only is this a beautiful script, but I have gained a new family from this project, My Extraordinary. Ang kasama ko po dito ay maliban kay Vincent De Jesus na matalik na kaibigan, si Mr. Georgette Lorenzo na isa pang matalik na kaibigan. Puro mga baguhang promising young actors and actresses ang nakasama ko dito. And I feel na they deserve to be appreciated and they deserve the success na I hope maibibigay natin sa kanila by watching My Extraordinary. Syempre ayokong spoil kasi gusto kong panoorin yung lahat ito. I'm proud to show you the full trailer of My Extraordinary, the first BL series to air on TV5. Sabay-sabay natin siyang panoorin.
Yan na naman sila. Lagi na lang tuwing dadaan ako dito sa corridor, bigla na lang silang tumatahimik.
Annyeonghaseyo, Ken! You're so guwapo today. It's so bango. Lagi naman siyang friend. Wow! Ito na naman.
Mukhang matangkad ka naman, ikaw na lang.
Wala yung alam sa basketball.
Paps, pala si Ken.
Shake.
Shake? As in, ganito?
Hindi ako marunong mag-basketball.
Okay lang yan, Paps. Basta kahit tumakbo-takbo ka lang. Tapos kami na bahala maglaro.
Hoy! Batay! Batayin nyo!
Men, laro lang to.
Papasigat rin lang, sa maling ring pa sinut. Evan, sunduin mo na nga tong sister at mong kumakray lalo.
Hindi ako bakla! Hindi na ako marunong mag-basketball!
You have a very bright future ahead of you. Huwag kang masyadong magkasama dun sa mga pasaway-saway, ha?
Manang-mana ka sa daddy mo. Pabida! Yan, ang hilig makisawsaw sa away ng iba. The great mediator, the keeper of peace.
Kamustahin ko kaya siya?
Hindi ka ba nilalanggam? Ang harot naman ng langgam mo. Ay.
May panahon ka pumunta sa isawan kasama si Shake. Tapos pag ako na, wala ka ng panahon.
May mga bagay talaga. Kahit di mo inasahan, nangyayari na lang.
Wow! Romantic ka pala.
Tinamaan siya.
Alam mo ba na sa kamang ito ako ginawa? Kung wala tong kamang to, wala siguro ako ngayon sa mundo. Wala siguro ako sa tabi mo.
Thank you, Kama.
Mula po nung nakilala niya si Shake, your son hasn't been the same.
Are you telling me what I think you're telling me? Did you know?
No what?
That your brother is...
This is a story about friendship, about family, about acceptance, and of course, it's about love. We want to break the stigma sa society about the LGBTQIA community. Ngayon, nagtitrending ang mga BL series. Gusto naming mapanood nyo ito because this is tailor-made. Again, I say tailor-made because this is about the Filipino family. Kasi, pag sinabi kong BL, malaki ang sakop nito. Actually, this all started in Thailand, if I am not mistaken. So, malaki ang sakop niya. Marami nang lumabas na series na talagang may mga claim to fame na BL series. Pero, ours is different. Kasi na-cater talaga to para sa pamilyang Pilipino, sa ating mga values. Kaya naman, pinayagan kaming mailabas itong My Extraordinary on Philippine television. And we are blessed na kinuha kami on board ng TV5. Okay, My Extraordinary is brought to you by Asterisk Digital Entertainment. And this is their first major project. And I'm very happy and grateful to be part of this. Also, this is the first directorial debut of Direk Jolo Atienza. And I want to congratulate him ngayon pa lang kahit hindi pa pinapalabas at di pa kami nagpe-premiere because he's done a great job here. He's done a good job sa mga bago nating mga actors and actresses. He's done a great job sa set. Very patient, very determined. I could feel yung drive niya that he really wanted to make this beautiful series. And I want to thank him. I want to thank Direk Jolo. I want to thank Asterisk Digital Entertainment. I want to thank all my co-actors. And of course, I want to thank Vince De Jesus. Kasi this is really very special and personal to me. Thanks talaga sa'yo. Panoorin niyo po ito dahil napakaganda rin po ng mga musikang ginawa at sinulat ni Vincent De Jesus. My Extraordinary will be premiering on August 30, Sunday at 10 p.m. over TV5, and it will also be shown at 11 p.m. Via Asterisk Digital Entertainment YouTube channel. Mapapanood niyo po kami tuwing linggo, and we have 8 episodes. And gusto ko lang pong malaman nyo na maganda po itong series namin and marami kayong mapupulot na aral. And I'm really proud to be part of this, and I'm so proud of all my co-actors who deserve your support and all your love. This is starring, of course, my son Ken in the movie is Enzo Santiago. Also with Darwin Yu, Carissa Talyonco, Z Mejia, Kaden Soriano, John Cortez, Kat Sanchez, Philip Dula, KG Messina, Sam Cafranca, and many more. This is directed by Jolo Atienza, story and music by Vincent De Jesus, and this is from Asterisk Digital Entertainment. I'll see you soon, guys, with my next video. God bless you and stay safe.